Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried egg and yam. First, let's get our yam ready. Carefully peel and wash one medium yam. Then, slice it into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Boil these slices in lightly salted water until they are tender, which usually takes around 10 minutes. This ensures they're perfectly cooked before frying. Once your yam is tender, it's time to fry it to perfection. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place the boiled yam slices into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy on both sides. Remove them and let them drain on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Now, let's prepare the perfect fried egg to accompany our yam. Crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl and season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Using the same pan, add about 1 tablespoon of fresh oil and heat it over medium heat. Pour the seasoned eggs into the hot pan and cook them to your preferred doneness, whether you like a runny yolk or a firm one. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your delicious meal. Carefully transfer the freshly fried egg onto your serving plate. Arrange the golden, crispy yam slices artfully around the egg. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh herbs like parsley or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. Enjoy this simple yet incredibly satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.